This is the new fibre laser marker from Haas. If you're looking for a fast and affordable way to mark your parts, the HL-50E is perfect for your workshop. The HL-50E produces a clean and permanent mark on a wide range of materials. You can add your company logo, serial numbers, barcodes, even QR codes in just seconds. It gives every part a permanent identity, making traceability simple throughout the entire manufacturing process. Many manufacturers still use their high-value CNC machines for engraving. The HL-50E takes that job away from machining centers, freeing up valuable spindle time, keeping your machines focused on producing parts. I really like how simple to use the machine and software both are. And the filtration system and enclosure provide a safe working environment. The filtration system is easy to use and simple to change filters. Every HL-50E comes with a lifetime license to Lightburn Pro. You can import logos, DXF files, artwork, create text and serial numbers, even QR codes. Once a job's been created, it can be saved and recalled whenever you need. For production work, serial numbers or part information updates automatically, making batch marking fast and efficient. The HL-50E also comes with a rotary fixture, making it easy to mark round components and bar stock. It's a simple low-cost way to increase the range of parts you can process. Whether you're improving traceability, adding your company branding, or increasing production efficiency, the HL-50E delivers fast and consistent results every time. The HL-50E is in stock and ready for fast delivery. If you'd like to see it in action, give us a call and book a demo.